Hello, my name is Oluwatobi, and the title of my project is Antitheft and Burglar System with SMS Notification.
You unscrew the two screws that are holding the skeleton of the house. So
Hold on.
then okay, so the next thing is so a micro SIM, any micro SIM of your choice, but possibly try and make sure that you get a SIM card that is the network signal is very strong around your area. So here is your SIM 800. So you just quickly insert the SIM here, just like this, and you press it down. So you can just put the SIM 800 back. Okay, so now everything is all set. So you take your power cable and you plug it onto your 5-volt power supply. Simply put it here, okay, and you put it inside. So you go to your here. So this power supply is already showing a green light here. So that means that the system, if you look from the roof, you will see that the system is powered on here. So you pick up your phone and you dial the SIM card that is inside the GSM 800. So already for us here, we have one of our lab numbers already stored here. So when you dial it, so you can watch it, you observe what it's doing. On the 4th ring, 800L. So you call the number that is on the SIM 800L. So now it's ringing. So that means that after 4 rings, it has. So automatically the system is armed, and it has sent a text message. So the text message is what you're going to go and read. So you see it here. It says here, SCHEMATIC GSM alarm. I got your call. Alarm is now active. So that means that this is. So I'll be expecting a text message. And there's a text message. The text message has arrived. So if you open the text message, you will see it says intrusion detected at left entrance. And let us test for the right entrance. So I'll do this. So by so doing, get a message from it. Okay, here I am. Intrusion detected at right window. So that means actually you have a right window over there, and there's a left hand side. So let's cut this laser light here. So the alarm is on now. So we'll be expecting a text message on this phone, which is one of the predefined phones. Okay, so you see laser tripped at left fence side, which is actually the left fence side. So from here you can see the SIM 800 module is actually searching for network. So the indicator light there is blinking. It has captured network because if you can look at it very well, you see that it's blinking every 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. No, wait. Don't ready.
Now stop him.
Stop him now. Okay. So it has been tripped. So the laser at the right hand side has been tripped. And already a text message is inside. It's already here. Okay. So I can see it's saying that laser is being tripped. Okay. And I think that's it.